It's not going to be one of these competitive deals where we're going to win $1 million. Big deal. We're going to go out there and crash cars and have a good time, drink a few beers.
I don't really have a strategy. I just go out there and look for the hits.
Strategy comes with figuring out how to build them tougher.
A little bit of a cat and mouse the first heat, just getting the main event.
Trying to figure out where your first hit is going to be.
There's a gun for anyone who's moving.
My strategy is to hit hard and hit anything my way.
Any one heat, you're probably in 10 or 20 car crashes.
I've been practicing my 12-ounce curls.
This is a drinking event.
Well, this is our safety coordinator, Mike. Give us a hand.
I got a huge target on my back. There's 40 cars in this event, and out of it, there's probably 39 of them coming after me. My chances of winning a third time in a row are slim to none, but to be honest, I mean, just coming here and having fun and kind of getting through the event is a victory in itself.
Can't see me through my tents. I'm riding real slow, and my paint wet, dripping, shining like my 24s. I don't got 24s, but I'm on those folks. That's those big white walls, round them 100 spokes. Old school like old English in that brown paper bag. I'm rolling in that same whip that my granddad had. Hello, haters, damn y'all mad. 30K on the caddy, now how backpack rap is that?
I got that off-black Cadillac, midnight drive. Got that gas pedal lean back, taking my time. Living in sky, the city never looks so bright.
Hey, you know what? I gotta go. We have an emergency.
All right, thanks, sir.
So,
Be safe.